Welcome to Moto Explorer. Today, we're checking out the Ducati Monster 1200S, an iconic naked bike that takes the Monster legacy to new heights with more power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable style. At the core of the Monster 1200S is a 1198cc Testastretta 11 degrees engine, producing 147 horsepower and 124 Nm of torque. This bike offers explosive power and smooth throttle response, whether you're hitting twisty roads or cruising through the city. Weighing just 188 kilograms, the Monster 1200S is agile and nimble, thanks to its lightweight frame and top-tier components. The fully adjustable Öhlins suspension and Brembo M50 brakes ensure precision handling and superb control in any situation. The Monster 1200S is packed with advanced technology. The 4.3-inch TFT display gives you key ride data, while Ducati's advanced rider aids like Ducati Traction Control, Cornering Abs, and multiple riding modes offer the perfect balance of performance and safety, whether you're riding in rain or on the track. Its design, bold and aggressive, the Monster 1200S features sleek lines, a minimalistic rear, and a more compact, modern look. The S version adds premium suspension and braking components, making it even more performance-focused without compromising everyday usability. The Ducati Monster 1200S is the ultimate combination of power, technology, and iconic Ducati styling. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a city commuter, it's a bike that delivers on all fronts. What do you think of the Monster 1200S? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Moto Explorer content. Ride safe, and I'll see you next time.